I demand that just today after this, the Chief Minister must resign. How can you allow this? Sir, how this is? People dead, 179. People displaced, 60,000. Relief camps, 350. Still in camps, 40,000 people. Houses burnt, 3,662. Religious places burnt, 321. Companies the companies of Central Force deployed, 161. And cases of rioting, murder, rape, 10,000, sir. 10,000 se zyada. Have we become so insensitive? This is the problem with this government. And I want to seek a clarification, which Gaurav Gogoi touched in a very small way, because I'm very confused. So I would like to ask this question to this government, that there is a PIL filed in the NI court. This Mr. Haukip, I may be pronouncing his name wrongly, of the United Kuki Liberation Front said that he had written to the Home Minister Amit Shah ji regarding a claim that UKLF, the United People's Front, had helped BJP candidates win in 2017 Assembly as per arranged with some other Chief Minister. I don't want to name it. What is the, and a senior BJP leader. Now, these are organizations which are grey. So, is this government anti-national? Is my question. Yes. I'm asking a question. Yes. I'm not making an allegation. This is what is come in newspapers. I'm not commenting on anything that's gone wrong anywhere. I want to ask that Mizoram today are women. Doesn't matter who they are Indians first.
Yes.
किसी की तो बेटी है, किसी की तो बहू है, किसी की बहन है, किसी की बीवी है. Will you allow this to happen and shame the women of this country? And this is what this government stands for. How can you ask your conscience, अंतर आत्मा से एक बार पूछ लीजिए, how can you support a government like this? This is not about them versus us. This is about the dignity of the woman of this nation. उसकी इज्जत उछालोगे and the government is going to keep quiet. How are you going to allow? I'll make one small solution to this government. What should this government really do? हर देश में किसी की भी, महाराष्ट्र में भी हो भी किसी, राजस्थान की हो, किसी की भी हो, वो किसी की भी बेटी है. Two wrongs don't make a right. And I would like to quote just one small point, sir.
Please.
I would like to make a suggestion to this government.
Okay.
I'm not only criticizing, I'm making a suggestion. I would like to quote the Mahatma in this. It is, I offer you, what should they do now? Is what I'm referring to them. What should they do? I offer you peace. I offer you love. I offer you friendship. I see your beauty. I hear your need. I feel your feelings. My wisdom flows from the highest source. I salute that your source in you. Let's work together for unity and peace. That's what Manipur needs. These guns are not going to solve all our problems, sir. And again, I want to remind this government that 2024 is their only goal. I'd like to quote Julius Caesar, just since Professor Roy talked about it. It's only hubris if I fail. In the epic poem Paradise Lost by John Milton, the character of the Satan displays hubris when he attempts to rebel against God's rule in heaven, and when he eventually declares that it's better to reign in hell than serve in heaven. So I think this government needs to rethink. I stand here by India for the larger good of this nation and the dignity of every citizen who deserves it, and this government is failing the poor and the honest people of this country. Thank you.